सोशल मीडियाचेर व्हायरल केल्ल्या व्हिडिओन म्हजो चलो आशिल्ल्याचे कांय जाण म्हणटात, पूण तो म्हजो चलोच न्ही अशें स्पश्टीकरण आदलो मंत्री आवेर्तान फुर्तादोन दिला. ह्या प्रकाराक लागून म्हाका आनी आपल्या चल्याक खूब मनस्ताप सोंसचो पडला. आवेर्तानान हे विशीं सायबर क्रायमान कागाळ लेगीत दाखल केल्या.
Yesterday there was a video going viral. There were some fights taken place somewhere. And in that caption, it is given that ex-minister's son was involved in it. The video is so viral that I got so many calls. Where to make people understand was difficult. I would only appeal to the people who are using WhatsApp. Please don't give fake videos where you can tarnish someone's name. Yesterday's video was so viral that I really could not go on WhatsApping to everybody saying that he is not my son. So now that I am having this small press conference, I would like you all to please share it. My son is here sitting with me, and unnecessarily his name was put that he is involved in that fight. And he's also taken it very badly because he is just a small boy, and his name getting spoiled like that, even I didn't like it. I, being the father, have a lot of responsibilities. So I would appeal to the people, please, today this has happened to me, tomorrow it can happen to you or to your son. Please don't do this. Till you are clarified enough, saying, okay, these people are involved in it, then go ahead with spreading the video viral, make it viral. But till then, please don't make videos viral if you are not sure who's involved in it. Today morning, I filed a complaint in the cybercrime, and they assured me of full cooperation. They said, we will try our best to get the culprit and book him. So this is what I really want to say. Though I am very much hurt that people spread rumors so fast, but there is nothing that I can do about it. Only proof I have is my son is sitting by the side of me, and you all can judge whether he was involved in that fight or no.